How to add international contact phone number in WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you add international contact phone number on your WhatsApp. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application WhatsApp with your account. Alright, so after you open the WhatsApp app with your account, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on the plus icon. So simply tap on the green plus icon. Okay, so from this section, you'll have to go the option new contact. And now from this new contact section, you'll be able to add any international contact to your WhatsApp. So for that, you'll have to just move with the country code section. And from here, you'll have to just add the country code of that international number. So for that, you'll have to just add a country code. And after you add a country code, you'll be able to add the phone number of that country. So from here, you can add a phone number. And after you done it from here, you'll have to just tap on the options like done. So simply it will appear at the top right corner. So after you tap on that option, you'll be able to easily add the any or international contact phone number in your WhatsApp account. So this is the process. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.